goods train. Take it to bring the ducks or Usually, Boko was supposed to be on this train, but his base is somewhere else. The only engine available is Edward. He's working his own train for many years before Nia came here. He's near the branch line. He is on the home tennis sheds. Passing the figures or traits. Passing the crux scrapyard, when Edward the first met the Trevor saved from scrap. Passing the long surgery. Passing the animal park. He's been here armed so the very many years. He's turning to 130. Wow. He's really popular engine. This story, we will never already told this. But thankfully, Christopher Audrey is still alive. They are right on time at the docks. Just in time. The trucks are all loaded. With the cranky and the bimiki. Wow, Edward. You're a very useful engine. Thank you, Cranky. You're the best. You're welcome. And the job is finished. Well done, Edward. You are a really useful engine. Thank you, dear 352. You're the best. You're welcome. Subscribe, comment below, and that's it. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. 내일 봬요. 안녕.